Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The Mathler is back, here to make you all masters. No, the master is back. I'm gonna make you guys masters as well. Yeah, no, sounds about right. Anyway, more quality algebra stuff. Continuation unit 1, we're looking at just some basic like factoring stuff really, So, shouldn't be too bad, really. We'll just kind of pick up from where we left off and just move on from there. I think we're all gonna have a blast with these problems, alright? Let's get started. Take a look at the first question. And we use black now. Why not? It's a good color off. Some black right there. Alright, so first question. Solve the equation by the zero factor property. So we have b squared minus 13b. I want to use b's now, y'all. Minus 13b plus 40 equals 0. Alright, we're going to factor this out, alright? So we get right here b. And we're trying to find factors of 40, which add up to 13. 8 and 5 can do that job, right? b minus 8 times b minus 5 equals 0. So b equals 5 and 8. Alright. That's it. Easy enough. Let's try another one. You can try this on your own. Alright. So for this one we have 5c squared minus 26c equals 24. You can pause the video and give this a shot if you want. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do this now. So I'm going to get 5c squared. I'm just going to rearrange it. Bring the 24 to the left hand side. That's going to become minus 24. So on the right hand side we get 0. Always do this rule number 1 in solving these types of quadratic equations. And you're going to be like, oh no, our highest term in the exponent is a 5. This coefficient is not a 1. What do we do? And you'll realize that, okay, well, we can't factor, or, divide the other terms by 5, because 26 and 24 are not divisible by 5. So, here's exactly what you do. So, we're going to multiply the a and the c coefficients, and then we're going to find factors of it which add up to the b coefficient. Let me explain exactly what that means. So, let's take our a and our c and multiply them together. Right? So, you can get a calculator for this. You get minus 120, I believe. And find, okay. What are some factors of minus 120, which add up to minus 26? And then I'll be like, go ahead and do this. I think we'll all come to the realization that something like 30 and 4 can work. So you'll be like, okay, well, we can rewrite that, sorry. It's 5c squared minus 30c plus 4c minus 24 equals 0. Right? And then, so for the first two, we'll take 5c common. Again, there are multiple ways of this sort of grouping technique, but this is how I like to do it. So, we get here c minus 6. And on the right side, we can just take a plus 4 common. And we'll end up with c minus 6. This equals 0. And since these two are the same, then we've done it correctly. Then we can group the outside also. We can get 5c plus 4. 5c plus 4 times c minus 6 equals 0. Alright, my solution's over here. Actually, I'll do it here. So we know that on the right one we get c equals 6, and on the left one, right over here. So we'll get 5c equals negative 4. So c equals negative 4/5. So this is the solutions this is a solution. C equals -4/5 and C equals 6. Alright. Got that? I'm going to erase this now. Well, goodbye. Alright, let's go and try this problem out now, which isn't too bad, honestly. If you can do this problem, then you should be fine with sort of this factoring stuff. Alright, so let's say we have 64 x squared minus 16x plus 1 equals 0. And I'm like, okay, factors of 64. I know I can rewrite that as 64x squared minus 8x plus 1 equals 0. And I can factor this as 8x times 8x minus 1 minus 8x minus 1. And you'll realize that, well, this is nothing but 8x minus 1 the whole squared. You can think of this as a 1 there. Right. And that equals 0. And this is nothing but, if you know the equation, of course, yeah, it's a minus b the whole squared equation. And basically that this equals a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Alright. And in this case, we already have in this form. In this case, our a squared is 64. And our b squared is 1. Our b squared is 1. So this would become, going from here, you'd get this. 8x minus 1 the whole squared. Alright? And obviously, we'll get 8x equals 1. It just depends. You want to do like this way or the long way. So you get the same answer either way. So you get 8x equals 1. X equals 1 over 8. That is your answer. Right over here. Alright? Not that? Feel like y'all do? Great. Then let's move on to dealing with more imaginary number stuff. So let's do this. Alright. Also, if you don't want to call me something else besides the Matster or something, go ahead. I'll take it. Give me a name. I'm waiting for it. Or you can call me Sid, I guess. That can work as well. SID. Alright. Let's try this one. X squared equals negative 25. You'll be like, alright, well, you know what that reminds me of? Me solving for x equaling the square root of negative 25. And I'm smart enough to know that that's 5i. Well, it's true. That is. But remember, in this case, we're solving for x, okay? We're not solving for the square root of negative 25. That's 5i. In this case, we're solving for x when x squared equals negative 25. So don't forget to put the plus or minus, right, in your answer choice. Because sometimes, you know, some students might forget to put the plus or minus, and that may make them lose some points. I don't know. But just remember, if you're solving for x squared equals negative 25, the answer will be plus or minus 5i. If someone is saying, okay, what is the square root of negative 25? Then the answer to that is just 5i. There's no plus or minus for this one. But in this case, we're solving for a variable. Alright. Here we're not solving for a variable, here we're just simplifying something to a form we can all understand. Alright? So just remember that. And if you understand that, you should be good with the other set of problems I'm going to give you all. So here we go. Let's try this one out. Pause the video. This is not a hard problem at all. I'm going to try z's variables now, because I did like c's, b's, and x's. You did get my z's in, y'all. That message can go in multiple ways. And I'm saying, y'all, you guys, having fun yet? You will So I'm going to say z plus x squared equals 16. Oh, where's the fun in that? There we go, negative 16. Now we're having fun. So you'll be like, okay, I know what to do. We'll stick a square on both sides. So you'll be like z plus 6 equals, and remember, it's not just 4i, we're solving for a variable z, so we get to put the plus or minus in, we're going to take the square root of that, and then you'll just subtract x from both sides. Well, you can visualize that, but I'll write it out here for y'all. This will cancel out, so we get z equals negative 6. Remember, only the 4 i's in the plus or minus, not the negative 6. So remember that. Boom. That's it. Okay. Alright. A couple more problems left. But I think I'm going to end the video after this problem. And then we'll just continue. Alright. So here's your last problem. We're gonna do this problem. You're gonna have x squared plus 6x minus 27. Once that equals 0. Alright. Pause the video, solve this problem. Let me know how y'all do. Alright, I'm assuming you're giving a shot at it. So what are some factors of 27? You'll be like, okay, 3 and 9. Good enough for me. X. And we're going to say x plus 9 times x minus 3. Okay, maybe I'm closing this video off on a good note. Not a hard problem at all. X equals minus 9 and 3. That's it. So that's basically factoring, grouping, imaginary numbers, square rooting, squaring, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully we done 7 problems. You understood all of them. At least if you see them again, you'll know exactly how to do it. And yeah, just check back for my next video, and we'll do some more algebra. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See y'all next time.